There we are. Hello. It is the Ditto. It is Halloween, one of the Ditto's favorite holidays. Yes, the Ditto loves it. Ditto is in a spooky graveyard, as you can see behind me, and me is in my costume, which is not spooky. I'm a puppy, but I thought it would be cute, because, you know, all year I am a monster. So I figured I would do something kind of cute, so I am a puppy. Ditto just wanted to wish everybody out there a happy and safe and friendly Halloween. I hope that the weather is good and that everybody is safe and that you get lots of candy, but do not eat all the candy because you'll get a tummy ache. And above all, be sure to stay safe because the world is a much better place with you in it. Never forget that. So thank you everybody who follows the Ditto and who is a fan or a friend of me in the Wizard 101, the Pirate 101, or anything else online, the Twitter or whatever. And just thank you. Ditto is very lucky. So have a great and happy Halloween, stay safe, and I'll see you on the spiral. Yay!